Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play games on Xbox Mobile. First, download the official Xbox app from your device's App Store. It's available on both iOS and Android. Next, sign in with your Microsoft account, which is linked to your Xbox profile. This connects your mobile device to your gaming world. Finally, ensure you have a stable and fast internet connection. A good connection, ideally over 20 megabits per second, is crucial for a seamless experience. One fantastic way to play is through cloud gaming with Xbox Game Pass Ultimate. This subscription gives you access to a vast library of hundreds of games that you can stream directly to your phone or tablet. No downloads are needed. For the best experience, pair a compatible Bluetooth controller, like an Xbox wireless controller. This setup provides precise control, making your mobile gaming feel just like playing on a console. Another excellent option is Remote Play, which lets you stream games directly from your own Xbox console. First, make sure Remote Play is enabled in your console's settings. Then, connect your mobile device to the same home network as your Xbox. This allows you to play any game installed on your console, even if you're in a different room. It's like having your Xbox in your pocket, offering incredible flexibility. To truly optimize your Xbox mobile gaming, here are a few tips. Always use a strong 5 GHz Wi-Fi connection for minimal latency and a smoother stream. Also, keep your mobile device fully charged or connected to a power source, as streaming can consume significant battery life. Finally, consider investing in a mobile gaming clip. This accessory securely attaches your phone to your controller, providing a comfortable and immersive setup for hours of fun.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.